What's up YouTube? Welcome to New Parenting Training. So today I got this awesome product here. It's called Fanttik TA Apex. It's a power bank, but get this, it's so powerful that it can jumpstart your car. Yeah, I know, right? This is crazy. So I'm really excited to unbox this and then try it out. Just so happened, due to the pandemic, one of our car constantly need to get jumped. Well, because we leave it there for like sometimes 3 weeks to a month without using it. So this will come in definitely in handy because when you need to jump start your car, you need two cars. Now I just need a power bank. What? Anyway, so don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. All right, so let's unbox this. Now this product is on pre-sale by July 30th. And the official launch date is in August 14th. Now they currently have a premiere offer. So if you sign up, and you will get a $10 off from the website. So anyway, I'll put all the product information down in the description below so you can go check them out. All right, here is the product itself. Very cool, very cool. This is very nice package. The case is pretty soft, but at the same time it's sturdy. It's rubbery substance for the case. Anyway, let me slide this out. So this thing has 2000 amp at peak current. So yeah, it's powerful enough to jumpstart your V8 car. And even a diesel that's a V6 diesel too. So this thing is powerful. Ta-da! Well, first thing you're gonna see is a cardboard on the back. It says "Vroom, your beast up." That sounds interesting. All right, here is the power bank itself. Capacity 74 watts. Well, let's see. 12-volt out. USB charging. So this thing not only can jumpstart your car, but USB port, USB-C. So you can definitely substitute for your small, tiny power bank that you normally will have for your cell phone charge. You could leave this in your car and for emergency use. Here's where you can connect your jump start cable here. All right, let's see what else they have in here. So USB-C cable for your cell phone or any of GoPro that you will have. USB to USB-C cable. All right, so let's see what's in here. Here's the jumper cable. Cool. And let's see what else they have here. There's nothing inside this little box. Oh, a cigarette lighter charger. So for your car. A wall charger. What else do they have? A manual instruction. So this is all of it. Now for this review unit, it comes with a 20 watts charger. So it will take me a little bit longer to recharge this power bank, but your purchase unit will come in 65 watts of charging adapter. Your battery will get charged much faster than what I would be when you get your unit. All right. Very quickly, let's just run through the battery and some of the stuff that it can do and how you can use it. So this thing actually packs 4 quarts of total of 20,000 milliamp of battery inside. So my current phone is 4,000 milliamp battery. So technically it can charge it 5 times. So this has a massive battery inside. Now there's an on and off button here. So if you hold it down for a few seconds, it will turn on, and it's very easy to use. It tells you how much battery is currently left. So it's 30%. Yeah, I've been messing around with it, so the percentage has been dropping. So on the side has an emergency light for vehicle usage. So if you press it, it will turn on. Press it again, it's flashing. Pressing again, it's red. And press again, it's turned off. So on this end is this jumper cable. So the jumper cable that they provided not only is suitable for this particular battery, but also the clamp itself. They use better materials, so it has what they claim to be 25% more efficient than the traditional jumper cable. And the way that you plug it in, now there's a tap here, you need to remove it. There's only one way of putting it in, so there's no way you can actually insert it wrong. So there's only one way. If you look at it close enough, it says plug and this side up, and you just plug it in, and then you clamp it down on this end. I'll show you in a little bit. Obviously the red goes to the positive terminal, and then the black goes to the negative terminal. So that's the jumper side. And this thing is actually weatherproof as well. So yeah, it's really suitable to just leave in your car, and when you have an emergency, you can just take it out and then use it. So on this end, it says Type C, and you can see in and out 65 watts. And then here you have just the regular USB 5 volt to 9 volt. Well, 5 volt / 9 volt. So anyway, so there's two plugs here. Now, so you can actually plug in multiple items. So here we have the USB-C cable. Gonna plug into my GoPro battery charger. And that's one. Now, because the two cables that they provided are mainly USB-C, so if you do need to, say, if you have an older model of cell phone or tablet, you might be using the older model of USB, then you just have to find the right cable and plug it in. Now for this one, I have a tablet here. Kind of messy here, but okay. Once everything is plugged in, you just press the on button, and then it shows out. So right now both items are being recharged by using this battery. So yeah, it's very convenient. All right, and let me unplug this. Now, as I mentioned earlier, so the power plug that they sent to us for review is only 20 watts. So if you end up purchasing this battery pack, the power brick that will come in will be 65 watts. So that's more than enough to fast charging this battery. So right now, if I use this, it will take about 5 hours to fully recharge this battery. But with the 65 watts, the time cut down into more than half, around 2 hours or so. Now, one other thing about this USB-C in and out, 65 watts here, when you recharge it, you will use that port for recharging the battery. But at the same time, if you have a laptop that uses a USB-C for recharging, you can actually use this to recharge your laptop as well. So yeah, this is multifunctional and able to charge a lot of stuff. All right, so we're gonna try out the battery onto the car. Now the car battery is pretty much dead by now. If you come closer, put my keys in, like the light flickers. I mean, there's nothing in there. All right, so all Alright, so on the pro tip, if you're gonna leave your car sitting for a while, just take out take out the negative terminal, so that way you won't drain the battery as much. And also, if you are planning on leaving a car for a while, just make sure the car is backed up into your garage. That way, if anything happens, it's easy to access your engine bay. So the way that you connect, there's only one way in. So you cannot hook it up wrong. Now the negative to the negative, the black to black, like so. The positive to positive. Alright, so now this thing is on. You have to wait until it says start in order for you to start turning on the car. Now, according to Fanttik, as long as I have about 8% of battery, I can jump start my car. Alright, so earlier I kind of messed up. So the sequence for you to jump start the car, I mean, you still have to plug in to negative, positive to positive. But the way that you start charging this battery is to hold down the on-off switch button and the LED light. Hold it down, and now it shows start. Now it's 14 volt and start. Okay, so since it shows start, let me start the car. Voila! It starts! Woo! This is pretty cool. So yeah, just FYI, you do need to press down the on-off button and the LED light. As you can see, now the battery down to 26. It start off at 30%, so it takes a few percentage of the battery to jumpstart the car. So 8% it definitely works. So when you get your battery, it comes with the 65 watts, and with that it should be able to recharge your battery to 8%, from dead to 8% in about 5 minutes. So this will definitely work. So yeah, I do recommend this thing for your car. This is a must-have to leave in your car in case of emergency. All right, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, then comment down below. Until next time, bye.